If you're a business owner trying to get clients from YouTube, please, for the love of God, do not make AI generated videos of yourself. So yesterday I was on a client call, and this particular client runs a Facebook digital ad agency, and he's very successful. But he felt like the competition is creeping up, so he thought like, you know what, it's time for me to be on YouTube to really one-up my competition, which is a smart move. So he booked a call with me, and he sent the links to his agency website and also his YouTube channel. And his entire channel was an AI-generated version of himself. Why would I watch this AI slop? So if you're a business owner, you're trying to get clients from YouTube, I'm gonna cover 3 things. Number 1, what your audience really feels when they watch your AI generated videos, but they're too afraid to tell you. 2, what really makes somebody buy from you after they watch a couple of videos. And 3, how to actually make simple non-AI videos that positions you as an authority and attract paying clients. All right, so let's start. So you think that if you post AI generated videos, that's a heck of a lot better than a normal video that you're not really good at. So I understand that logic, and you would think that that would impress your clients, but it doesn't. Because this guy runs a Facebook ad agency. Potentially I could be his client, but when I check out who this guy is, his website, his YouTube channel, it's good that he has all that. But what I'm really doing is trying to figure out who this founder is. Because if I hired this guy, I'm gonna be working with him, right? So I want to know as a human, who is this person? I want to see his videos. I want to see how he talks, his mannerism. The moment I figured out that this is an AI generated video, and in his case, it's very obvious, you're immediately a commodity. Like you're trying to make videos, which is good, to get you out of the commodity, but the moment you do AI generated videos, you just pulled yourself back into the commodity pool. So this is a website, and it's a great website, but if you look at just the VSL here, so this is one of the videos that he pulled from his YouTube channel, and although it looks impressive, but come on, man, let me put the audio on.
Ads is definitely not just about ads, yet that's how it's bought. Don't come. The instinct is to launch another.
Like, what is up with the smoke? Like, I know full well this person probably never talks like this. So this is completely fake. And I wanted to tell you that there's also a same story. The other day, I like to cook. So I like to follow a lot of cooking recipe channels. So there's one particular channel, they look really good and looks really delicious, and 44,000 followers, so it has good social proof. So I've been following them for a while, and I think one day there was some guy who just commented, hey, this is AI slop. And then I realized, oh my God, it is AI. So this is a really good, convincing AI generated video. It was so good that at first I didn't know it was AI. It was that good. But you would think that, okay, I just need to find an AI video generator that is good so people don't know it's real or not, right? But the moment I know this was fake, I immediately unsubscribed to this channel. Like, why would I trust anything you say? Like, this is all fake. It's not even real. So this brings me to the second point. If making AI generated slop makes people don't want to work with us and actually repel clients, so what should we be doing? Now, to get clients from video, you don't need to make how-to tutorials anymore. They don't have to watch your 10-minute video or 30-minute video because they can just ask AI. So what really resonates right now is you telling your personal journey in your business of the problems that you have overcome, because chances are the thing that you have overcome is something that your ideal client is currently going through. So by telling that story, first of all, it will show your personality because you're telling your personal story, like this one right now, this video. And 2, the story is about you overcoming a problem. So that automatically showcases your authority. So case in point, I make a lot of YouTube videos, many different formats. I did vlogs, breakdowns, straight up tutorial, I did storytelling. And I can tell you this right now, the moment that people pay me and I ask them like, where did you find me from? And almost all of them said they found me first from these particular videos, which happen to be all storytelling videos. So for example, the first video was about when I was a freelancer and I was overwhelmed with clients. So that was the moment I decided I want to move up into an agency. And I just whipped out my camera in my car talking about my feelings and why I decided to upgrade my business. And somebody saw that video, like a founder, and she was contemplating working with me before, but the moment I said I'm now ready to move up, hire team, scale, all that kind of stuff, she commented like, hey, this gives me confidence to work with you, and she booked a consultation call. like a paid one. Like she became my client. And the second storytelling video that got me a client, I was sharing this story where I joined a really expensive coaching program, but at the end of the day, I felt like it wasn't worth it. So I felt like I was scammed. I released that video. I didn't badmouth who they were, but I just said, here's the pros, here's the con, but at the end of the day, the cons are more, that's why I quit. And obviously I didn't get my money back. So when I released that video, another founder found that video because he also joined some sort of agency coaching program, and he also wasn't happy and felt exactly like how I felt in the video. And somehow, because of that connection, made him feel like I'm the guy. He booked a call with me and he became my client. So that's what it takes to get clients from YouTube, is to make storytelling video. Now, how do we actually make these storytelling videos? So it's hard to pick a story from your own past because you're too near to yourself. Like you can't see it, right? You have all these experience that you think are boring, but actually you need an external point of view to pick out, hey, that's a really good story, let's turn this into a video. So what we're gonna do to my clients is we're gonna figure out exactly who you're trying to target, because the number one reason that most people do wrong is that they try to target too many people. Like this is what I did. I try to target people who want to quit 9 to 5. I try to target people who are business owners. I try to target creators. And so at the end of the day, nobody resonates, right? So what I'm going to help you figure out together, who is that one person exactly that you're trying to talk to? And number two, I'm going to sit down with you one-to-one for like 90 minutes, and we're going to talk about your past. I'm going to ask you some questions that will prompt you to tell me some stuff. And when you tell me that stuff, I'm gonna go, that's a story. That's a story you need to tell right now. This is the hook, this is the body, this is the call to action, this is the title, this is the thumbnail. Within 90 minutes, we can extract maybe between 5 to 10 really good videos that you would be very excited to share. You don't need crazy scripts, you don't need incredible thumbnails or whatever, because you're just telling your story. It's super easy. You can whip out your phone, you can be in your car, just tell that story. So if you look like a machine, you look like an AI, you would be treated like a commodity. So do not use AI generated videos for your YouTube channel. You're basically commoditizing yourself willingly. Okay? So if you want me to help you, like how I help my client, check out the link in the description.